After a day at the lake, the last thing I want to deal with is a muddy truck or a wet back seat. Fia has a new rear seat cover that fits perfectly and protects from pets. Muddy pets, wet bathing suits, tools, or whatever it is, we need to protect our interior. The pet cover from Fia will keep your back seat as good as new. The seat covers are semi-custom, meaning that they will fit just about any rear bench seats. You can take them from your truck to your SUV in no time. They are made from commercial grade polyester with the PVC backing for security. And the cover still leaves access to your seat belts for added safety. Let's face it, some dogs like to jump. That leaves the backs of the front seats exposed. Well, Fia thought of that too. You can also order the front seat protector to make the whole set complete. This cover will protect the backs of your front seats from nails and hair, and the extension covers the floorboard as well. Both sections are waterproof, stain and abrasion resistant, and are super easy to remove and clean. If you're interested in the pet cover from Fia, check out our store locator on screen or in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos each week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.